What happened in Timbuktu in 2012 horrified Islamic scholars and reverberated around the world. The religious vandalism was orchestrated by Ahmed al-Faqih al-Mahdi, who is leader of Ansarul Diin's morality police, called the Hizbah. As followers of the Wahhabi branch of Sunni Islam, al-Mahdi and his men tore down mausoleums belonging to the saints of the Sufi Muslims and also attacked a mosque. Most of the sites were on UNESCO's World Heritage List. But al-Mahdi appears a changed man, and at the start of his trial he pleaded guilty with a statement of abject apology.
I
am really sorry. I am really remorseful, and I regret all the damage that my actions have caused. I regret what I have caused to my family, my community in Timbuktu, what I have caused my home nation, Mali, and I am really remorseful about what I have caused the international community as a whole.
This is the first ICC war crimes trial specifically about religiously motivated cultural vandalism. Most recently, ISIL has deliberately destroyed historical sites in Iraq and Syria, notably at Palmyra, and the ICC is keen to send a message.
These type of attacks that are becoming a trend in certain areas cannot be accepted. They will be punished wherever the ICC has jurisdiction for that. These are serious crimes, these are war crimes, and justice will have to deal with them according to the legal rules and to the criteria of jurisdiction.
But important as the Timbuktu mausoleums are, Malian human rights campaigners say the ICC must do more to also prosecute the many other crimes perpetrated against the civilians in 2012.
What we would like is, to continue investigation, for the other crimes, that happens in the northern Mali, especially, crimes related to rapes, sexual violence, violence done to women in the northern Mali in general, and especially in Timbuktu.
This case marks something of a new direction for the ICC, but in the words of the prosecutor, what is at stake here is much more than just walls and stones. Attacking historical monuments, she said, falls into the category of crimes that destroy the roots of an entire people. Prosecuting other perpetrators of religiously motivated vandalism will not be easy, but the ICC has indicated it is at least willing to try. Paul Brennan, Al Jazeera, The Hague.